Okay, first print, Benji model. It's quite quiet actually, and the fan is not too loud. It's quite fast. So this is the complete product. Not bad. Very good. Took 20 minutes on the Benchy, which is kind of slow. So, let's see on that. But overall, it's a good printer. I'm going to try to print some production things just to see how it goes. And once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away this free. This outboard motor for the Benchy. And at 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away the Anchor Make Mini, MC Mini that I have. I really don't need that much printers, so we're giving away those two things. Okay, so subscribe and comment those two things, and whoever the best comment or the number of subscribers go up to 10,000, I'll be giving away both of these things. Thank you. Have a great day.